Once again, welcome back to you all in online classes of maths. I hope you all are fit and fine at home. So in last video, you have learned about circles, right? You have got a brief idea about the terms related to circles, right? In today's video, we are going to draw a circle by using a geometrical instrument called compass or rounder. Okay. So before we start, let us know what is circle. A circle is a plane figure bounded by an absolutely round closed curve, right? It has no sides and no corners. Okay, so this is a figure of a circle. This point is called the center of the circle, right? And this curve, this whole curve is called as the circumference of the circle. If we draw a line joining this point, this is called a radius of this circle, right? And if we will make a straight line with this radius, it is a diameter of that circle. Okay? Here the half semicircle is called the chord of a circle. Okay, so let us revise all the terms of this circle and see how to draw a circle by this video.
Circle and its construction. Look at these objects. They are all circular in shape. A circle is a plane figure in which all the points are at a same distance from the center. Now, let's learn some of the important terms related to the circle. Look at the figure. Here, point A is the center of the circle. Center of the circle is the fixed point from which the circle is drawn. Line segment AB is a radius of the circle. Radius is the segment that extends from the center of the circle to any point on the circle. Line segment PQ is a diameter of the circle. Diameter is the segment that joins any two points on the circle, and it always passes through the center of the circle. Line segment MN is a chord of the circle. Chord is the segment that joins any two points on the circle. The diameter is the longest chord. The circumference of a circle is the perimeter of the circle. When we fold circle along the diameter, we get two half circles. They are called semicircles. And lastly, half a semicircle forms quarter of a circle. Let's now learn how to draw a circle. To draw a circle, we use a compass. A compass has two arms, a metal arm and a pencil arm, connected by a hinge. Step 1. Keep the metal point of the compass firmly on a fixed point. Step 2. Stretch the arm of the compass that holds the pencil. Step 3. Move the pencil arm around, keeping the metal arm fixed. Hey, look, we have drawn a circle. Now, let's draw one more circle. But this time with a radius of 4.5 centimeters. Step 1. Use a ruler to set the distance between both the arms as 4.5 centimeters. Step 2. Place the point of the compass on a fixed point. Step 3. Move the pencil arm around to draw the circle.
Now see page number 159 of your textbook. Fill in the blanks. The point exactly at the middle is the center of a circle. Exactly middle of the circle. This point is called center of a circle. Second fill up is length of a circle is called its circumference. Okay, this curved surface is called the circumference of a circle. Third question is, a diameter is the longest chord of a circle. Diameter is the longest chord of a circle. Fourth one, all radii of a circle are of dash length. All radii of a circle are of same length. Okay. Next one is, the diameter of a circle is dash of the radius. The diameter of a circle is twice of the radius, as you have learnt in the previous class. Now take next page, page number 160 of your textbook. Question number 2. Identify and name each part of the circle. Okay, this is the figure. Identify, you have to identify the parts of a circle. First one is dash is the center of the circle. Here in the figure, this point is the center of the circle. Here no name is written, you can write here O. Okay, so dash is the center of the circle. You can write here O is the center of the circle. Okay, next question is dash is the radius of the circle. Now here you can take any of the radius, OD, OE or OC. All three are radius of a circle because they are joining the middle point of the circle. So you can write any three out of this. So I am writing OD. OD is the radius of the circle. Okay. Next is dash is the diameter of the circle. What is the diameter of the circle? Name the point which is the diameter of the circle. See here, C and D. It is joining the middle point. So CD is the diameter of the circle. It is the longest chord of the circle. Okay. Dash is the chord of a circle. Now, which is the chord of the circle? A and B. Point A and B is the chord of the circle. Okay. Next question is, which line on each of these is the radius? There are so many lines in these circles. So you have to find out which line is the radius of this circle. Okay. There are many lines. So see first question. This is the center of the circle O. Now, which line is the radius? ED, OC, OA or OB. Which is the radius of the circle? Here you can see three radius, right? OA, OB and OC. All three are radius because they are joining the middle point and the one point in the circumference of a circle. So you can write here OA, OC and OB. All three are radius of a circle. Okay, same way you have to solve the rest questions. Second question is, here you have to find out the radius. Which one is the radius? You can see OZ, OW and OY. All three are having same length from the center of the circle. Right? That means they all are radius of this circle. So you can write here OW, OZ and OY. All three are radius of the circle. Okay. Question number 3. Here the center is N. Now see how many lines are joining this N point. NM, NR and NQ. Right? Only these three lines are of equal length So these three are radii of this circle. N, M, N, R and N, Q are the radii of this circle. Last question is your homework. You can do by yourself. Here E is the center of the circle. I am giving on the hint. Now your next question is question number 4. Measure the radius and the diameter of each circle. Here 4 circles are there and here the center of the circle is given. Now what you have to do, from that center of the circle you need to join the circumference. Okay. And when you join the circumference of the circle, you will get the radius. Now measure the radius by using your scale like this. This is 2 centimeter. So write it here. The radius 2 centimeter, and you know that diameter is twice of the radius. That means 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. That means the diameter is 4 centimeter. You can check it like this. See, you can see the diameter is 4 centimeter, exact 4 centimeter. So write it here, 4 centimeter diameter. Now next question also, do the same process and measure the length of this radius. This is 1.2. Okay, so write it here in radius 1.2. That means diameter will be twice of radius, that is 2.4 centimeter. You can check it by using your ruler. The diameter of this circle is 2.4. Now like this only, measure these two also and write it down here in your textbook, as well as draw this and write it down in your notebook. Okay. Now we will see, draw circles with the following radii: 4 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2.5 and 3 centimeter. I will draw a circle of 4 centimeter and 3.5. The rest 3 you will solve by yourself in your notebook. Okay. Okay, now let's see how to make a circle of 4 centimeter radii. Okay. Here, first thing what you have to do is, write down here 4 centimeter radius, question number 1. Then take a point in the middle of your notebook and measure a length of 4 centimeter. Okay, draw the line of 4 centimeter and after that use your compass and measure it 4 centimeter and tuck it with your pencil. Okay, like this. 4 centimeter. Now what you have to do, put your compass pin at the center and without touching any line, draw a circle like this by using your one hand only. Don't use your next hand, second hand. Okay, like this, draw a circle of 4 centimeter. After making this neat and clean circle, put here a point O and write here radius 4 centimeter and the diameter will be 8 centimeter because it is the twice of the radius. Diameter is the twice of the radius. Now you can measure it by using your scale. See, this is 8 centimeter. That means your circle is, the circumference of the circle is 8 centimeter. The radius is 4 centimeter. So this is how you have to make the circle of radii 4 centimeter. See one more question. 3.5 centimeter radii. Okay, you have to draw a circle of 3.5 centimeter radii. So first thing again, what you have to do, you have to take a point, that is point O. Okay, then you have to draw a line segment of 3.5 centimeter. You already know how to draw a line segment of 3.5 centimeter. See, like this. It is between the 3 and 4. The middle line is called the 3.5. Okay, so 3.5 centimeter line segment you have to draw. Now with your compass measure 3.5 and adjust it in 3.5 centimeter. After that what you have to do? Put the compass needle side here and just round the pencil and draw a circle like this. So this is your, now again measure it. It is 3.5 and the diameter of this circle is 7 centimeter. See here. That means we have made exactly correct 3.5 radii circle. 3.5 centimeter. Okay. So this way you have to draw all the 5 circles in your notebook. Try to do more. Take any radii and make more circles in your notebook. Now see next question, that is, now you can draw a circle. After that here you have a last question. Here is a circle, name all the chords in it. The circle has 9 chords. Okay, so we have to write it down here, the chords names. Okay, there are so many chords as you can see in the diagram. Write one by one each chord. Okay, so let's start with A, F. Right here, A, F is one chord. Then A, C is another chord. C, D. Right here, C, D. D, F. So this part is over. Now see this A, E. Right here, A, E. After this, E and C. E and C. C and A. We have written, no? AC. We have written it. So don't need to write this. After this, now there are 3 more. So see here, A and D. A and D is also a chord because it is not touching the middle point. So you can write it here, A, D. Here one more is there, C, F, because it is not touching the middle point of the circle. So this is also a chord. And one more is there, B, E, because here if you will see, this is not the diameter of the circle. Okay, so we can write it here, B, E. So there are 9 chords in this circle. So the last topic of this semester is also ended today. This is the last topic, circle. I hope you all will do your homeworks on time, do in your textbook and notebook as well, and send it to me in Campus Care app. Till then, take very good care of yourself and have a nice day. Thank you.